Hi, I'm Eric from Hodgdon. If you have been anywhere near the reloading world lately, you have heard the question. Federal's 7mm Backcountry is one of the most talked about rifle cartridges in years. And from day one, hand loaders have wanted to know, what powder do we load it with? The answer is Accurate High Country, the newest Magnum rifle powder from Hodgdon Powder Company. To understand why, look at what makes the 7mm Backcountry different. Instead of a traditional brass, it uses a one-piece steel alloy case that Federal calls peak alloy. That stronger case lets the cartridge run at 80,000 psi, well beyond the roughly 61,000 psi of a typical modern 7mm cartridge. The payoff is Magnum velocity from shorter, lighter barrels. That steel case is also why powder choice matters so much. Steel handles heat differently than brass, so the cartridge needs a propellant that runs cooler. After a global propellant search, Accurate High Country delivered the best ballistic performance for the round. With an ideal balance of burn speed and barrel wear, it burns at a lower flame temperature than other Magnum rifle powders, which suits both the peak alloy case and the pressure this cartridge operates at. And it means less energy wasted as muzzle flash and muzzle blast. If you are new to reloading, here's the practical part. RCBS has developed dies for the 7mm Backcountry, and the process for reloading the steel case is completely different from a conventional brass case. Follow the published instructions step by step, and as with any cartridge, start with published load data and work up carefully. Now here's what makes High Country more than a one cartridge powder. It is extremely versatile. It is an excellent choice in the classics like the 243 Winchester, 270 Winchester, and 300 Winchester Magnum. Pair it with Winchester bullets and primers, and your hand loads can duplicate the performance of Winchester factory-loaded ammunition. It shines in modern Magnums too, throwing consistent charges in the 6.5 PRC and 300 PRC for uniform velocity and pressures. And the pedigree runs deeper still. High Country is built on the latest propellant technology the U.S. military relies on for its 5.56 and 7.62mm A1 rounds and 50 caliber ammunition. It is a double-base spherical powder, made in the USA. Spherical means the grains are small, round, and free-flowing, so they meter smoothly through a powder measure. Consistent metering means consistent charge weights, charge after charge. High Country also uses a progressive burn rate curve. In plain terms, the powder keeps building pressure smoothly as the bullet travels down the bore, which supports maximum velocity at bullet exit and downrange. The progressive burning of the grain gives a softer ignition, and a softer ignition supports greater accuracy. The result is an energetic, clean burning load. Whether you load for game or for targets, High Country covers Magnum rifle cartridges for the 270 Winchester all the way through the 7mm Backcountry. Accurate High Country, the answer to the biggest question in reloading and a whole lot more. When you are ready to load the 7mm Backcountry, get your data straight from the source. Visit the Hodgdon Reloading Data Center at hodgdonreloading.com for the most current published load data. Thanks for watching.